Hi guys, it's Grayson here. So for those that don't know me, I'm a stock investor and I have experience working with an investment firm. So happy new year to everyone, and I hope in 2019 the market doesn't treat you too bad. But if it is, don't worry, in this year 2020, I'm gonna try my best to help you to achieve the return and profit that you always wanted. So today we're gonna talk about how to invest in year 2020 because there's a lot of things going on and happened in the past year politically and economically. So what kind of preparation should we do as a regular investor this year to invest in the stocks market and achieve the return that we always wanted? So let's get to it.
So before we talk about what to invest, the first thing I want to tell you guys is just because the S&P 500 index is in the all-time high now, it doesn't mean that you have to get greedy and put in all the capital you have into the stocks market. And by any means, avoid using margin, debt or CFDs accounts to invest. And for those that don't know what a margin is, it is a loan that you take from your broker and they charge you a certain interest rate for you to invest in the stocks market. And for those that don't know what S&P 500 is, it is a stock index that includes the American largest 500 stocks. Before you make any investment decisions, remember what Warren Buffett said. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. And the second investment idea I would like to talk about is the healthcare industry. The healthcare industry will be very exciting in this year, as healthcare is one of the world's biggest growing industry, and it always offers investors plenty of exciting investment ideas because in many Asian countries, the aging populations and the medical bill is become a very big problem for many people. So the innovative company specializing in both direct care and treatment will grow significantly in this year. The major players in this space like GSK, CVS Health, and Pfizer could be in our stock watch list. And the third investment idea is automation industry. Driving automation is perhaps one of the most interesting investment sectors of 2020. Major players like Tesla, Ford, General Motors, and BMW are in race to develop a safe, trustworthy, green and advanced transportation. It is no doubt that we are moving into a more efficient and cleaner modes of transport. So it wouldn't harm to add a few automation stocks into our watch list. And come on, let's be honest, it is fun to watch who will win in the race of adapting AI technology and advanced green technology into the traditional four wheels under a metal box. And the fourth investment idea I want to talk about is, you guess it, gold. Yes, I know I've talked about gold a lot in the previous few videos because I truly believe gold is very undervalued right now. If you look at my data and all the information that back up my theory, you will understand why I say you should allocate a partial of gold investment in your portfolio. For example, if we simply look at the demand of gold, the central bank of China and Russia is buying gold tons and tons every single year. So the demand of gold is no doubt growing rapidly, especially in these few years. I have posted a video about gold investment before, link in the description, so please watch the video and you will understand why I say gold should be one of your investment in 2020. And the last investment idea I want to talk about is the Fang Stocks. The Fang Stocks is the 5 largest technology stocks in the United States. We have Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. The Wall Street is in the middle of a record high bull run that's very much driven by the Fang stocks this year. And among these 5 stocks, the one that never failed to impress me is Amazon. Amazon is penetrating to many industries like food and beverage, gaming, and software development. Amazon doesn't focus on e-commerce only anymore, and I can see it's slowly to be the everything company where they does everything in every industry. And also they have a average stunning growth of 24% over the past 5 to 6 years, which is very, very impressive. To be honest, guys, in the past year 2019, there's a lot of things going on in the stocks market, perhaps too much. But like I always say, focus on what we can and focus on the long term, because we cannot control what's going on the external factors. So what we can control is our state of mind and the internal factor. So always focus on the long term investing and don't let your emotions drive your decision.
Remember, the smart investor are those who are always sensitive to the market and they see that particular idea as a key opportunity to the stocks market. Business is all about evolving, so we as investors should always be updating our information as well. So I hope you get value in this video, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And remember, it's all about planning and execution. So have a good day and happy investing.